This tree knows all my secrets. No, really. I've whispered things to this little juniper that I wouldn't tell a therapist. Turns out a bonsai can't judge you, but it will show you how you're doing. Emotionally, physically, spiritually, leaf by tiny leaf. So yeah, bonsai is therapy? Let's talk about it. And maybe, just maybe, find a little peace in a pot. Bonsai as therapy, 7 reasons it's better than a stress ball. Are you guilty of number 5? Let me know in the comments. Oh, and pick up your free bonus at the end. It's tiny but mighty. This channel's slowly turning into a little bonsai garden of its own. If you want to help shape it, the subscribe button's just over there. Next week we're diving into bonsai care. Stuff like what kind of fertilizer gives you the happiest roots. Hit that button if you want to see the results. Ever pruned your way out of an existential crisis? Pruning a bonsai forces you to slow down. You can't rush a cut. You're literally shaping a future, branch by branch. And in that stillness, your brain, used to juggling 57 tabs of chaos, goes, oh, silence. That's not just gardening, that's mindfulness with scissors. Dead leaves equals mood check. If your tree's dropping foliage, it's probably telling you something. Maybe too much water, maybe too little sun. And sometimes, it's just like you, going through a rough patch. The fix: adjust your care, don't freak out. Same goes for life. Your bonsai becomes this weird little mirror. Honest, quiet, never smug. Your bonsai doesn't care about your inbox. You could have 243 unread emails and a passive-aggressive group chat going off. But your tree? It just wants water. Sunday, a bit of attention. Taking care of it pulls you out of the stress machine and into the now. It's a tiny rebellion against productivity culture. And yes, it feels amazing. Watering a tree is basically emotional CPR. You notice when it slumps. You feel proud when it thrives. You start saying things like, "Good job, little guy," out loud with your whole chest. It's the kind of care we rarely give ourselves, but somehow we give it freely to a tree in a pot. And in doing that, we start healing too. What if your tree is teaching you patience? There's no instant gratification in bonsai. No overnight glow-ups. Wiring takes months. Growth takes years. But suddenly, the long game starts feeling comforting. You stop needing quick fixes. You start trusting that slow can still mean progress. This is when bonsai stops being a hobby and becomes a quiet, leafy life coach. The bonsai gods love a messy beginner. There's this myth that bonsai is only for masters with 100-year-old trees and monk-like discipline. Nope. Your lopsided ficus? It's valid. It's trying. And it's teaching you. Progress in bonsai isn't linear. It's curved like a branch, stubborn like roots. But every mistake is compost. And compost grows good things, so keep showing up. Bonsai is more therapeutic than houseplants. Agree or argue in the comments. I want to hear it. But here's my logic. A pothos doesn't care if you trim with intention. A bonsai, it demands it. And in that demand, it gives back. Peace, patience, presence. One tree, one person, one tiny act of care. That's all it takes to shift something inside you. The world gets noisy. Life gets heavy. But your bonsai waits, patient, rooted, alive. Every time you care for it, you're also tending to yourself. And that, my friend, is therapy. If you've stuck around this far, we're a fan of yours too. We're sending 2 bonsai barn bonus points straight to your tree. May it soak them up and become the best tree it can be. Comment how many you have now. You never know, they may add up to something awesome over time. See you in the next one.